We have Tropical Storm Lisa that's forecast to make landfall on Belize as a Category 1 hurricane. We also have a multi-day severe weather episode possible across the U.S. These could have wind, hail, and even a few tornadoes with this. This is satellite imagery of Tropical Storm Lisa. Tropical Storm Lisa has wind of 65 miles an hour, moving west at 15 miles per hour. This is the potential track of Tropical Storm Lisa. This is a tropical storm at the moment, forecasted to make landfall as a Category 1 hurricane in Belize. Belize, you need to start taking your safety precautions and be safe now. This is the chance of tropical storm force winds from Lisa. As you can see, there's a high chance of seeing tropical storm force winds across a lot of Belize. This is why Belize needs to be very careful. We also have an area with a 20% chance of tropical development in the Caribbean. This could cause some slow development. We also have a slight risk of severe storms in effect on day 3, where some cities under this threat include Wichita, Lubbock, Amarillo, Salina, and Hutchinson in Kansas and Texas. We also have a rare day 4 slight risk of severe weather across portions of areas including San Antonio, Dallas, Austin, Fort Worth, and Oklahoma City need to be prepared. Let's take a look at what's contributing to this severe weather threat. So we do have a positively tilted trough here that's going to form, and this will eventually turn into a negatively tilted trough in the future that could cause a tornado threat to portions of the central U.S. here. And this possibly tilted trough is also going to help this severe weather threat here too. So that's why we are getting some of this severe weather threat. So when we do look at the precipitation rates here, this is basically the radar. On Thursday's severe weather threat, we could see some storms to form across Kansas and Texas and a line of storms. This will mostly be a line of storms. This is a damaging wind threat for Thursday and Friday, but a few tornadoes does also seem to be possible. As if we do take a look at the low-level jets here, the 850 millibar low-level jet, we do have a little bit of a low-level jet forming across here. We do have a strong low-level jet that could cause a few tornadoes within the line. We also have very moist air of moisture going almost into the 70s here, plus very dry air behind it here. As you can see, that very sharp, dry air behind it. So very moist air with this. Even going into these areas, we have some moist air with dry air behind it.